So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So in today's video I will be sharing three things that I did while I was studying. Part 1 is already uploaded, so you can check it out on the channel, and in the today's video I will be sharing one more thing. So first of all, I would like to give example of myself, because I have given in the December 2018 attempt both group together of the intermediate. So I have a experience of how to give a both group of the intermediate or the final, as the case may be. So here I would like to share one more important point that is very important if you are giving both group of the intermediate or final, because many people are lacking with that point. So now let us start with that. So here I would like to give one example of myself. For example, I am giving examination in the December 2021 attempt, and I have started with the preparation of group 1. And in the 3 months I have completed my group 1, and I am putting aside that group 1 in the side. Now after 3 months I have started my group 2 preparation, and group 2 is also completed within 3 or 4 months, and I am putting aside that group 2. And for 1 month, for next month I am doing my preparation. That is means I would like to say it is a revision. So for earlier 3 or 4 months I have completed my group 1. After 3 or 4 months I have completed my group 2, and after that 4 months I have invested my 1 month for the revision, and after that I would like to give an exam in the December 2021. That is the first case. Second case is I have started with the group 1 preparation. For example, I have started with the group 1 preparation, and after completing of the 2 paper, simultaneously I have started my group 2 preparation as well. In the case 1, what I did is I have first of all I have completed all the papers of group 1 and then started my group 2, and I am not giving any efforts after the completing of the group 1 to the group 1. So in the second case I have started both group together, and after that I have invested by 1 month, that is of the November 1 month I have invested to do a revision, and in the December I have to give my intermediate both group example. So now you tell me which is the better way, whether case 1 or the case 2. So according to me, case 2 will be better, because I am doing both group together. So many people are what doing is, because they have suggested something different, like what you have to do is you have to first complete single group, then you have to complete second group, and after that invest your 1 month to do a revision. So most probably you will be forgetting something, because you have not you have done a group 1 4 months earlier. So there are chances that you are not remembering all the things what I have done in the group 1. Even if some concept you might be forgetting. So remember one thing, keeping eyes on the each and every subject is very important. So you have to keep your eyes in the 8 paper, whether you are giving a single group or both group, but remember that you have to keep your eyes on the all subject. It is not a case like you are doing for example, you are doing a 2 paper and you are putting aside 2 paper for 2 months, and after 2 months you are watching that paper. You will ऐसा ही लगेगा कि मुझे फिर से नया स्टार्ट करना है. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट एटलीस्ट 2 to 4 hours, even if you have completed any single group or single paper or as the case may be, but keeping eyes on each and every paper is very important. So don't do that. You are doing single group first preparation, and after that you are doing a group 2 preparation, and after that within 1 month it will not be possible for approximately 90% people to do a revision of all the papers that I have did in the group 1. So in that case you have to keep eyes on each and every paper. So how you can do that? For example, you have started your preparation for both group of intermediate for December 2021 attempt. First of all, you have to complete any single group, 1 or 2 paper. For example, from group 1 I have completed 2 paper, and from group 2 I have completed only 1 paper. So that is not an issue. So you can do as per your wish, but you have to start your both the groups simultaneously. That is my personal experience, because I have given intermediate both group for December 2021 attempt. December 2018 attempt. So you have to start your both group together. For after completing 2 paper of intermediate or 1 paper of group 2, again you have to start with the group 1 of the remaining 2 paper. And meanwhile what you have to do is you have to invest your 1 or 2 hours for 2 papers that already completed for group 1, and you have to invest your at least 1 or 2 hours for the group 2 as well, because 1 paper is already completed but you have to do revision. Second point is multiple time revision. If you are doing any theoretical subject or practical subject as the case may be, but multiple time revision is very important. If you are thinking that I will be doing perfectly, means 100%, you are giving your 100% effort, and after 2 months you are seeing that subject, it will not be fruitful. But you have to do multiple time revision and the keeping eyes on each and every paper. So that two things are very difficult to do. But if you want to clear both group together, then you have to definitely put your extra effort, because you are giving both group. So that is the important point I would like to elaborate in that video. I hope it may be helpful to some people. So that is my benefit as well, because that is ultimately benefited to you. So now start your preparation of both group. Definitely it is something that you are doing something different that what others are doing. That is why you have to give your extra effort. Keep eyes on each and every paper. Invest your 1 or 2 or 3 hours as the case may be, or as the capacity of yourself, in the papers which are already completed. So that is also important, I would like to suggest. So I hope this video is helpful to you. So share this video if you feel so, and if you are new on the channel, then make sure you have subscribed the channel. And tata bye bye and all the best for exam.